You know, when I first looked at it, I was pretty surprised that was what I was being challenged with. And upon opening them and inspecting them, it smells and tastes what I imagine cat food would taste like. Apparently it's a southern delicacy. It's the only pork brain in the country that's packaged in a can. The ingredients in the milk gravy is cornstarch and milk and salt. It's I think the percentage daily value of one portion size of these pork brains is, the cholesterol is like 3,960 of your daily value. It's you know, the offal meats can be great. I just think it's off-putting in a pink paste of milk gravy in a can. So they're braver than I did.
Yeah, we took it right out of the can.
Yeah, it's like pretty weird. I just don't understand on how that could be a delicacy down south where you sit down on the couch and crack open a can of pig brains, milk gravy.
Well, what did you do with these wonders?
I'm gonna treat them like sweetbreads and dredge them and fry them, actually. So there's gonna be a textural component in the green bean. So it's supposed to be a play on a dish that I always get when I go to sticky rice, which has ground Chinese sausage that they then fry with green beans. So that's what we're gonna do with the pork brains.
What was your first reaction to trying them?
You can ask them. I almost vomited. The smell, it's very off-putting. Dredge is AP, cornstarch, salt, black pepper. So it's pretty standard, but we did a 30% ratio of cornstarch to give it that crispiness, almost like the Asian fried food. I'm going to start with a lot of garlic, a bunch of shallot, so a bunch of haricot verts from Green Acres we're going to add into this. Got our sesame vinaigrette. It's got some fish sauce in it, a little bit of tahini and honey, and we just emulsify it with some rice bran oil. We're gonna add a little bit of sesame seed. It's a mix of white and black sesame. A bit of togarashi. So we're going to pull them out, we're going to let them dry out a little bit on the seafoam and add just a little bit of salt to them.
That seems a very high beans to brains ratio.
Like I'm trying to mask the flavor of the beans, or the brains here. Put some cilantro on it. Finally our pork brains. Over here. It's almost like chicken. It's delicious.
Is it really?
Mm-hmm. It's great. I don't think it'd go on my menu, but it's not bad.
Is it delicious because it's deep fried, or?
I mean, everything's better fried, right?
But is it actually good once it's cooked?
Yeah, it's definitely a lot better. The texture's there a little bit more. You get some of that crunch. It doesn't just disintegrate in your mouth. Not bad. Josh Morelli, and I'm going to challenge him with ají amarillo paste.
And what's that?
Ají amarillo is a Peruvian chili. It's yellow, it's relatively spicy. You can usually get it in the paste here in the States.